Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today, I want to talk to you about a system that has helped me make more money online than I have ever made before. And with this system, I know you're going to say that I'm going to sell you something or you're a skeptic or this can't work, da da da. What I want you to do, okay, before I even get into my testimony, all right, when this video is over, I want you to click the button in the description, okay? And I want you to watch this video, okay? I want you to watch this video in its entirety, okay? Then once you watch this video, then you can decide whether you want to use this or not, okay? This I was wondering why I couldn't make money online. All right? I was blogging, I was pinning, I was writing messages on Facebook, I was sharing in groups, I was talking to people, I was selling, I was hustling for 7 hours a day, okay? I was doing all this stuff, but I wasn't receiving any sales, and my mind was blown. I thought that working hard and hustling would get me money. Okay, you put out the work, you get the money. With affiliate marketing, I thought that's how it worked. Okay, this system, when I came across this video with Wesley Virgin and I watched the video, I was like, he might be onto something. You have to condition your mind for wealth. Okay, you have to change your thought process. And then when you do that, the money comes flowing in. Okay. So just change your thought process with this system. It's going to take some time, but you have to keep doing it and doing it and doing it 3 times a day. Your life will change because your thought process and the way you speak will change. And that will let money and whatever else you want in your life you manifest come into your life. Okay. This is the overnight mind hacks secretly used by the rich and famous. Okay. So you're going to watch this video. Okay. Then it's going to take you to a screen like this. Okay. Get instant access to the overnight millionaire system plus 7 fast start bundles. Okay. Now I know what you're thinking. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Like, she cannot be serious. I am dead serious. I bought this system. All right. You're going to get vibrational wealth, collect coded frequencies that put your brain in wealth receptors. Okay. You're going to get neurologistic programming. You're going to get guided visualization exercises. Okay. Powerful sleep, subminimal audios. Okay. Train your brain while you sleep. Okay. Negative thought deprogramming. Okay. Because you've got to get those negative thoughts out of your life. I don't have no money. I'm broke. I can't do this. You've got to change those things. Look at all these people. They've purchased it. They've watched the video. It works, guys. Look at these people. Watch. There'll be another person that just pops up on the screen, okay? It works, and he's going to give you 7 bonuses, okay? Look, another person purchased this system, okay? What if I get stuck or overwhelmed? We've got you covered. Complete your order now and you'll receive immediate mentorship, okay? So we're not going to leave you in the dust, okay? And if you scroll down, there's going to be testimonials, okay? I can't believe I made $1,500 in 24 hours. Why? Because he changed his mindset. Okay. Now listen, guys, this code has already been, this is $1,000 product. Okay. Wesley has put this code in here and it's, I want this now. Okay. So your overnight millionaire system is $34.80, but you need to hurry. If you want sexual transformation audio, manifest 10 times faster, I highly recommend this. Then it's going to cost you $52.10. okay? You put in your information, okay? You're going to play this video. You're going to listen to what Wesley has to say. Look at these reviews, okay? You're going to have 15 minutes to place your order, guys. You need to do this. If you want to make more sales online, place your order. Trust me. Take this overnight millionaire system, learn how to meditate, learn how to change your thoughts, and get this system now. This system has changed my life. They just purchased it, okay? Everybody all over the world, and you get 7 fast start bonuses. Wesley's going to be right here with you. If you purchase from me, I'm going to be right here to answer any of your questions, okay? Look, just purchased Overnight Millionaire, Sexual Transformation. Guys, this stuff works. People would not be buying it if it didn't work. What do you have to lose? Even if you don't get this Sexual Transformation audio, it's going to cost you $35. What do you spend $35 on in a week? Okay? This will change your life. So go ahead, click the link down in the description, watch the video, get to this screen, get your Overnight Millionaire system, start changing your thoughts and the way you think, and I promise you will be making money so fast because you've changed the way that you think and you think about business, and money will be flowing into your bank account or whatever else you want to manifest. Cars, homes, jobs, vacations, having a chef, getting a maid, having a dog walker, building a pool, living in a penthouse, you name it, you can do it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to let you know about this system. I love this system. It has changed my life. I meditate 3 times a day, and I also write in a journal. Wesley Virgin has changed my life. So I wanted to give you guys a shout out and let you know, my viewers and everybody else that's watching this video, that you can manifest whatever it is you want, okay? Change your mindset. Get this system now. Let's change your mindset and money will start flowing in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be back with more videos soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and hit the bell notification.